London session on GBP/USD, you can see price was consolidating for a while here around this area, and then price finally break down to the downside and then pull back, which happened here to around, I think it was up to 0.61%. I was expecting price to pull back to at least 50% level, or even maybe get to this my POI before dropping to the downside. Price got to 61.8 level and then started dropping. So I basically trade 4 hour and 15 minutes time frame. 4 hour for pro trend move, 15 minutes for entry and both intraday trend moves. On my 15 minutes here, we can clearly see that price is still pretty much bullish and not even ready to switch bearish yet. So we can see that price started going bullish here after it took out this 4 hour time frame low. Taking out this 4 hour time frame low, price started going bullish, breaking to the upside. You can see this is more of a counter trend move. As you can see, it's not really smooth. So price got to a certain level, maybe a fair value gap or something. Let me see. So it tapped around this area here, and then price started dropping to the downside, which this actually happened during news. I don't know, maybe it was CPI or something. I don't really trade news. Price tapped into this area and then started shooting to the downside. As at on Wednesday, then price started pushing back to the upside. It failed to take out this low, which is supposed to happen. So price is trying to building more liquidity to the upside for coming to the downside. So for now, I don't really have any setup here on GBP/USD. Or if price come back to this level, maybe drop some here down to this place. Maybe I'm looking for something, but for now, I don't really have anything to take on GBP/USD because it's not really giving me a clear picture of what it's going to do. Why on, let's see EUR/USD first. So on EUR/USD, let's check the 4 hour time frame. For my trend on EUR/USD, 4 hour time frame trend is bearish. You can see we're making lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low. So price has pulled back or a counter trend move into one of my POI level on the 4 hour time frame. So I'll be looking to see how price start forming on the 15 minutes time to push price to the downside. That's my expectation of the market. I'm waiting for price to break structure twice to know if supply is in control. So when price does something like that, the first break of structure, pull back, hold off a supply level, then supply is in control and then break back out. That'll be a good confirmation for me to start taking sales. For DXY, it's basically the opposite of EUR/USD. If you check 4 hour time frame, but see clearly bullish, price forming higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Price tap into this area here, which is a 4 hour zone, and then on the 15 minutes time frame, we'll be looking to see how price forms to start switching to the upside. So that's it for DXY. If DXY start moving bullish now, I will expect the euro to move bearish, so they move opposite. Why for the dollar Swiss, which is USD CHF, on the 4 hour time frame, nothing is really clear on the 4 hour time frame, honestly. So I was just using the 1 hour time frame for my directional bias. So you can see price have been forming higher highs and higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So there's a potential for a higher high to form. Well, I don't really like the price forming on this pair current. So if you don't really understand what's going on in the market, it's better to stay out and to end up losing money. Taking risks that's not worth it. So that's what's going on the 15 minutes time frame. We can see that we'll start setting up a buy. Actually, price is just starting to change to the upside. We had this first break of structure, but there's not really any second break of structure for me. But just seeing more of liquidity being built. So price just moving around and not really doing anything significant for me. So this is a POI that price could easily bounce off, but it's also a liquidity area of liquidity as a session low, which is ASEAN session low. So price could easily come back, sweep this level, or maybe bounce off this level. But I'm not looking to take anything on this pair currently because there is really nothing I can see that is valid for me. So that's that for USD CHF. That's that for all the pairs I trade, just 3 pairs. So let's check, is there really any news? Okay, there's no high impact news for the day. So for this week though, tomorrow there's no really high impact news that affects my pairs, just for Australian USD, Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. By on Wednesday we have 8 p.m. news. I will not even be trading by that time, FOMC news. So we'll have news by 2:30 p.m. So I'll most likely be staying out of the market for New York session, or maybe after the news if I see any opportunity I can trade. But that's that for the week, I guess. So we'll see how price sets up for London, and we'll see if we get a potential entry on any of these trades. See you guys soon.
It feel good, real good. Yeah, it feel good, real good. It feel good, real good. It feel good, real good. Yeah. I got you on my brain. I think you're captivated. She likes what I like what she likes. Oh baby, I got you on my brain. I think you're captivated. She likes what I like what she likes. Oh baby, I'ma give you more than you can handle. And you ain't never seen a mood like this. And you ain't never met a dude like this. And you ain't never felt a groove like this.